Hi, it's the Stocky Road Junior School Council here. This term we had planned to hold the Ice Bucket Challenge.
It was going to be our major fundraiser to raise money for MND, which stands for motor neuron disease.
MND is a name given to a group of diseases in which the nerve cells controlling the muscles that enable us to move around, speak, swallow and breathe fail to work normally and eventually die.
With no nerves to activate them, the muscles gradually weaken and waste.
There is currently no truly effective treatment and no known cure, so this is why we fight MND.
Due to us learning remotely this term, we are unable to hold the event at school, so we thought why not participate virtually.
Donations, everybody.
Go you.
Oh, very, very cold. I nominate all of the students at Stockdale Road and their parents. Great cause. Thanks, everyone.
Hi Stocky, it's Mrs Gearing here. Today I'm going to do the Ice Bucket Challenge to help raise awareness and money for MND. If you can, buy a beanie or donate on the website. Ready? I challenge Mrs Irwin now. Good luck.
I challenge you, Mrs. Tattison.
Hey everyone, thanks for the challenge. Alright, here we go. I challenge you, Ms Bogart.
Thanks, Mrs. Tattison. I challenge you, Mrs. Jelly.
I challenge you, Miss Spurlock.
Today I'm doing the Ice Bucket Challenge. I challenge Miss Ayton.
I now challenge you, Miss Hill.
I now challenge you, Miss Jolly.
Thanks, Miss Hill. Here goes nothing. Your turn. Your turn, Miss Sweden.
I'm ready. Now I challenge you, Mr. Wilson.
Thank you, Mr. Kneebone, for the challenge. Just up his name, so I'll be like on I now challenge you, Mrs. Armour.
Okay, I'm ready to go. Okay. Bell. Okay, I now challenge you, Renee. Good luck. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay, now I challenge you, Stacey.
I now challenge you, Mr. Kildee.
Thanks for the challenge, Stacey. Go Hugh.
I now challenge you, Miss Beckman.
I now challenge you, Miss Taylor. Hi, Stocky Road, Miss Taylor here. I'm not really looking forward to this, but uh-oh. Fiona, it's your turn.
Stocky Road Ice Bucket Challenge 2020. Go.
Alright, here goes. I now challenge you, Luke.
Thanks to the nomination, Miss Wood, I now nominate Miss Seeley to do the challenge.
Okay. Go, muscles!
Great job, Luke. Very proud of you. Hi, everyone. It's Supergirl here. Hi, and we've got Spider-Man over here. Look away. Okay. We're ready to fight MND. Yeah! Are you ready? Yeah! I challenge you, Mrs. Dawson. I now challenge you, Mr. Downs.
No! Finally, I challenge Mrs. Thomas.
Thanks, Mr. Downs. For those of you who've been part of the Stocky community for a while, you would know that my family have a personal connection to the Ice Bucket Challenge. Here's a photo of my dad. He was a really funny man who loved playing jokes and living life to the full. He died of MND in 2011 and we miss him heaps. Every year I participate in the Ice Bucket Challenge to raise money for the MND Society. At the moment there's no cure and no treatment for MND. I'd like to personally thank the Junior School Council, Mrs. Irwin and Ms Bogart for organising the Ice Bucket Challenge this year with Stocky. To all the amazing staff who've participated, thank you, and to all the people who bought beanies to raise money to support this amazing foundation, thank you as well. Alright, my dad would think this was hilarious that we all tip buckets of water over our heads, so I guess it's my turn. This is for you, Dad. 3, 2, 1. Now it's back to the Junior School Council. Thank you.
One way you can donate to help find a cure for MND is going to the Fight MND website and purchase a beanie.
The website is on your screen. Thanks from the Junior School Council and Stocky staff for watching and supporting a great cause.
So Stocky Road, we challenge you to do the Ice Bucket Challenge. Film your video, put it in the comments section of the Facebook page and show us what you're made of. Alright, here we go. Go! Oh God! Oh God! Oh, how did my life come to this? Oh. Oh.
Actually, it wasn't that bad.